Okay, we're finding the derivative of y equals -9 sine squared of -3x to the fifth. Okay, this is the chain rule because we have functions inside functions. Okay, what I do with my students is if I had something like sine squared of -3x to the fifth, I would have them rewrite it as sine of -3x to the fifth, all to the second power. I think it helps them distinguish the outside and the inside functions better. Okay, so once we've done that, I would like to get like a plan of what the functions are. Okay, the outside function, okay, with the exception of that -9 constant, the outside function is something squared. Okay, and we know the derivative of x squared is 2x. We'll use that. Okay, the middle function, okay, right there, is sine of something, sine of stuff. Well, we know the derivative of sine is cosine. Okay, we're going to use that. Okay, the inside function, the function on the very inside is -3x to the fifth. So we can find that normally. The derivative of -3x to the fifth would be -3 times the derivative of x to the fifth. Okay, so that's -3 times 5x to the fourth, which is -15x to the fourth. Okay, let's put all of this together to find the derivative. Okay, so we want to first take that constant of -9 and just write that down to multiply it. Okay, so again, the outside function is something squared. Okay, the derivative of x squared is 2x. So the derivative of the outside function would be 2. Instead of 2x, it's going to be 2 times all this stuff. So 2 times sine of -3x to the fifth. Okay, the middle. Okay, sine of stuff. The derivative of sine is cosine. So the derivative of sine of all of this would be cosine of all of that. Cosine of -3x to the fifth. And then the derivative on the very inside is -3x to the fifth, or the derivative of that would be -15x to the fourth. Okay, so this right here is the right answer, but it's nice to clean it up. It's nice to get the -9 and the 2 and the -15 together. They're all constants, so multiply those together, okay, which would be 270. We usually like to put exponents in front of the trig functions. So put x to the fourth next, and then we have the two trig parts after that. So your final answer, 270 x to the fourth sine of -3x to the fifth times cosine of -3x to the fifth. Okay, guys, I hope this helped. Thank you for watching the video.